From the Office of the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, yours truly, Dr. Marcelo, I am very honored and pleased to give salute to our schools district for giving support for the Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela. Indeed, this is one of the innovations that we're trying to prove that SDO Isabela is one of the best SDOs in terms of learning modalities.
You are listening to SDO Isabela Radio-Based Instruction.
Learning never stops in Math Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned. Good day, grade 4 learners!
Oh yeah!
How are you today? I am sure that you are excited as we learn and explore together in the world of mathematics.
Wow!
Thus, relax and keep on listening as we go through our DepEd School on Air.
Okay!
I am your radio teacher, Teacher Rydel. I will be your math buddy throughout this learning episode. I will guide you as we unlock another chapter of your mathenic journey.
Okay!
Another day, another chance to learn something new.
Wow!
Before we start, be sure to have a comfortable place for you to work on. Also, do not forget to practice the safety health protocols to keep you and your family safe from COVID-19. Keep safe, kids!
Okay!
Get ready to open your mind and ears as we begin a brand new episode only here in Math Eskwela of Isabela, your #1 source of information to avoid confusion, especially in finding the solution. Before we start our lesson, be sure to have all your things with you like your pen, notebook, and extra sheets of paper for you to work on. You can also bring water and snacks with you for you to maintain high energy level. I am pretty much sure that you are all energized for today.
Okay!
Alright, before we proceed to a fresh learning episode, let us recall our lesson last time. What is our previous topic all about? Very good! The last topic is all about angle. What is angle again, class? Very good! Angle is the space between two intersecting lines or surfaces at or close to the point where they meet. What are the different angles we discussed last time? Very good! These are right, acute, and obtuse angle. What do you call an angle which is small and less than 90 degrees? Excellent! It's acute angle. What about an angle of 90 degrees as in a corner of a square or at the intersection of two perpendicular straight lines? What do you call this angle? Good job! It is right angle. How about obtuse angle? How will you define it? Correct! An obtuse angle has measurement greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. We are now done with the recap of the previous lesson in Mathematics 4, and it seems that you are all ready for another learning episode. Are you ready, learners? If you are ready, give me a resounding round of applause. At the end of this discussion, you are expected to identify and describe triangles according to sides and angles. So based on the objectives, you already have an idea on what will be our topic for today. So what do you think it is? Very good! It is all about triangles according to sides and angles. I repeat, our lesson for today is all about triangles. Now, I want you to look around. Do you see things that are shaped triangle? Will you draw in your notebook a triangle? Alright, you just did an amazing drawing. Are you still with me, my dear grade 4 learners? Very good! I am pretty much sure that you are still energized. Let us now start our new lesson. Do you know that a triangle is one of the basic shapes of geometry? Yes, triangle is a polygon with 3 vertices and 3 sides, which are straight line segments. Triangles can be classified according to sides and angles. Let us talk about it in detail for you to understand the lesson better. The simplest definition of a triangle is that it is a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles. Each segment is called a side of the triangle, and the point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. Class, triangles can be classified into 2. We can classify triangle according to sides and angles. Let us start discussing the classification of triangle according to their sides. We have 3 triangles according to sides. Can you name one? Excellent! We have equilateral triangle. When we say equilateral triangle, it has 3 equal sides, or all sides are equal. I want you to draw in your notebook equilateral triangle, and I will give you 5 seconds to do it. Alright, time's up! Good job, young mathematicians! You just drew triangle with 3 equal sides. Now, let us name it triangle ABC. Second classification of triangle according to side is isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. A triangle in which at least 2 sides have equal measure. In your notebook, draw isosceles triangle. Wow! Good job! You name it triangle DEF. And now, let us move on to the third triangle. It is a triangle with no equal side. What do we call a triangle wherein all 3 sides are of different measures? Excellent! We call it a scalene triangle. This time, I want you all to draw triangle with no equal side. Amazing, my dear grade 4 learners! Name the triangle GHI. Are you still there, young mathematicians? Wow! That's great, my mathenic learners! Your mathematics prowess is really amazing. Great job! Triangles can also be classified according to their angles. We have 3 triangles under this. First, we have right triangle. When we say right triangle, it has right angle which measures 90 degrees. I repeat, A right triangle is a triangle with one right angle. This time, I want you to draw right triangle. Wow! So nice that you are all cooperating and still energetic. We also have acute triangle. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles. Each is measuring less than 90 degrees. Yes, you heard it right. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles. And the third is a triangle that has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees. What do we call this triangle? Excellent! We call it obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees. Before we have your quiz, let us have a recap. What is again the 2 classifications of triangle, class? Exactly! Triangles can be classified according to their sides and angles. What are the different triangles according to its side? Very good! These are the equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. What do we call a triangle with 3 equal sides? Exactly! It is equilateral triangle. What about the triangle with no equal sides? Good job! It is scalene triangle. There are also triangles that can be classified according to their angles. What are those again, children? Yes, correct. These are right, acute, and obtuse triangles. Can you differentiate right and acute triangles? Amazing! Right triangle has a right angle which measures 90 degrees, while an acute triangle has 3 acute angles, each measuring less than 90 degrees. What about obtuse triangle? Obtuse triangle has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees. Very good, children! It seems that you understood our lessons for today. You all deserve a resounding round of applause. Now, kindly bring out your notebook for a quiz. Are you ready? Here is the direction. Supply the missing words or numbers to complete the statement. Write your answers in your mathematics notebook. Number 1. Triangles can be classified according to their angles. A right triangle has a right angle which measures blank. Number 2. Blank has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees. I repeat, what triangle has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees? Number 3. Triangles can be classified according to their angles. How many equal sides does an equilateral have? Number 4. An isosceles triangle has blank equal sides. And number 5. A triangle with no equal sides is called
normal, bagong umagang parating. Ito ang tamang panahon upang maghanda sa bagong hamong harapin. Hindi magbabago ang hanap ng pusong tumulong at ituloy ang ating misyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon, walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon, tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Tuloy ang edukasyon.
Pilipinas sa gitna ng pandemya, tayo ay magsama-sama kapatid. Kababayan, dapat kang makialam. Halina at tulungan ang ating paaralan. Ipagpatuloy lang natin ang ating sinimulan. At sa bawat paghapang, bakit sa pangarap kong hagdan, ipalaganap ang pag-ibig at gintong kaalaman. Kahit sarado ang pinto, huwag tayong huminto, dahil ang edukasyon ay higit pa sa ginto. Katulong ang bawat isa at pamahalaan, ang lahat ng ito ay malalampas ang taas noong haharapin ang realidad. Ating isigaw, sulong edukalidad, sulong edukalidad.
Magbabago ang hanap ng pusong tumulong at ituloy ang ating misyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon, walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Dahil anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy, tuloy, walang maiiwan, lahat ay aahon. Sama-sama tulong-tulong sa ating pagsulong. Anuman ang sitwasyon, tuloy ang edukasyon. Tuloy, 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 tuloy ang edukasyon.
Let us now check your quiz. Are you all excited? I am pretty much sure that you are all excited. Okay, what is your answer for number 1? Very good, 90 degrees. How about number 2? Nice, it's obtuse triangle. Next, how about number 3? Exactly, it is definitely 3 equal sides. The fourth one, what would be the answer? Definitely 2 equal sides. And lastly, what is your answer for number 5? Very good, Isosceles Triangle. Those who got perfect scores for the quiz, keep the fire burning. Those who got 3 and 4, job well done. And for those who got scores lower than 3, it's not yet too late for you to excel. There's always a room for improvement. That ends our learning episode for today. Congratulations, everyone! If you have questions and clarifications, just contact and message your mathematics teacher. It has been a productive day for all of us, my dear grade 4 learners. You know, my dear learners, an end signals a new beginning. I may bid goodbye for now, but I know that you are again eager in waiting for the next episode. That ends our episode for today. On behalf of our script writer for today's episode, Ma'am Karen B. Palatao, and the SDO Isabela RBI Productions, this is Teacher Rydel, extending our sincerest gratitude to you, my dear learners, who enthusiastically be with us from the beginning up to the end of this episode. Do not forget to practice the different health protocols like frequent washing of hands and wearing face masks while staying at home to keep you and your family safe from COVID-19. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Goodbye!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela.